Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I have an update for you. If you want to make money online, posting videos on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram or YouTube, then watch this video. There's this platform I recently discovered and I'm not going to gatekeep it. I've earned $56 so far. So I'll be walking you through all the details about this platform. So whether you're just starting out as a content creator, whether you own a casual TikTok account where you post random videos, Facebook or Instagram account, then you want to watch this video. This video will literally help you to earn online. Location is not a barrier because they accept people from all over the world. When I earned my first $56, I'm like, I'm not going to keep this one to myself. So if you're interested, watch till the end. The entry requirement is so easy. Just click on the link below or in the description box and it takes you to the platform, so you sign up. So let me take you to my dashboard and show you how it looks like so that you too can tap in. On this channel, we talk about how to make money online. So this is part of it. How to make money online using digital skills. Before we start, please like, comment and share and subscribe to the channel if you're new. The platform is called AhaCreator. Let's go there. So you want to click on the link in the description box below or the pinned comment. If you click on it, it takes you to, okay, let's just do it together, guys. Let me sign out of this my account and do it from the beginning. So when you click on the link in the description, it's going to, bring you to this page. It will require you to either sign up with your email or you sign up with Google. And this is my invitation code. Once you click on sign up using your Google account, for instance, once you fill up this information and get started, it will take you to another page where you would add your social media links. So let's say you don't have a YouTube channel, although you have, because as you're watching me right now, you already have a YouTube channel. So let's say you don't have a YouTube channel or you don't have large following on YouTube, but you do have large following on TikTok and Instagram. All you can do is to paste your Instagram link, your TikTok link into the next page. It will automatically link your social media account. So once you sign up here, you're going to see this interface, your dashboard, your wallet, the leaderboard and messages will be here, right? For dashboard, so I'm just running this through for you guys. This is going to be where your brand deals will be, right? Brand deals will be here. You can see all the brands that have cancelled their promotions so far, all these brands. They even reached out to me, but it took me a long while to even believe that it is real. Okay, but I missed out on all of them. Even Any Journeys here, I missed out. So this one was the one I was able to secure, and I was paid $51. You can see where it says content published, right? Let's view the details. This is the campaign here. This is the campaign name. We promoted a video through my channel. You can see Vibe Me AI. That was the last video I uploaded on this channel. Learn with the brand deal. And then you can see how it works. When they invite you, you confirm the deal by giving your price. And if they agree, then they will approve it and then ask you to submit a script, video draft, and final link. That's submission. Then they'll pay you half of the money like they paid me. They'll pay you half of the money before you even start, and you can withdraw that money before you even start creating your content. So because I was able to publish my content earlier than, I still have like 5 days or 3 days to go, but I published it earlier, I got this extra $5.19. It says nailed it on time, bonus and the deal price was $60. They took their platform fee, which is $9, and I received $51 plus the $5 extra. So they're going to tell you what to do, how to create the content, the things to say, but you're going to also express yourself. It's going to, align with what you already do on your channel. Then you create the content and get paid. I feel like I'm not delivering this video the way I should, but just know that the platform is paying. Okay, so you can see how much I earned, $56.19, and I withdrew $25. That's the one you're seeing here, which is the upfront fee, $25.50. and this one will be releasing in few days, in 8 days time. So you have to leave the content on your channel for at least 9 days for them to release the last money to you. So I was like, let me see if this thing actually works. So what they do is that they partner with brands, and these brands have already funded the deals that you're going to take part in. They funded it is in escrow account, Airwallex. Okay, it's there already. Once you meet the target, like once you're able to deliver the video on time, you get your money. So some of you that are content creators from Africa, small content creators who have not started any money, this is an opportunity for you. Okay, come and sign up and start creating content. They've been reaching out to me, but I'm like, no, I don't trust these people. But now I can categorically tell you that this is legit, and they pay. Okay, the payment method is PayPal or bank transfer, depending on your location. I don't know the type of bank transfer you will use. I used PayPal. Okay, so I think in my next video, I'm going to bring a video that explained how to create PayPal account in Nigeria. I'm not in Nigeria, so I can't create PayPal account and show you guys. But I've seen people that have created. So I'll bring those videos so we can digest them together. So you see whether you can create your own PayPal account. So if you want to start earning as a small content creator, come and sign up. They also have mobile app that you can download so that you can get brand deals on time. Feel free to go to Play Store and get the app. This video is not sponsored. I'm just sharing because I earned from it, and I'm sharing it to you guys. So once there is available brand deals, it will show up here. You see everything here. You then select the ones you can, and you give your quote, how much you're charging for it. If the brand accepts your price or readjust it, if it works for you, then you start creating content. The content is 5 minutes long. You don't want anything more than 5 minutes long. So I don't know. I feel like I didn't deliver this video properly. But yeah, it's on my mind to share it. I don't know who is interested. If you're interested, go ahead, click on the link below and sign up. See if you get your first brand deal from this platform. All right. Whether you're into travel, comedy, voiceover, podcast, any type of content at all, any type of niche at all, you find a brand deal for yourself here. So go ahead and try them out. I thought to share. I don't know who it will benefit. All right, go and get your first $100 from this platform and update us in the comments if it works for you. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you go check out the link in the description. Sign up. Instead of just scrolling through social media, you can just post videos, 15-second videos on TikTok or Instagram, and you get paid for it. So let me know what you think. Have you heard about this platform before? Called AhaCreator. If yes, drop in a comment. Let's know your experience. I'm only sharing it because I've earned my first $56 from it. If not, I won't share it here. Please do like, comment, and share. If you want me to bring more videos like this, drop in a comment because I have a lot of them. I'll see you in the next one.